Welcome to the HPN University Manager Best Practices Roadmap. The purpose of this tool is to provide you with practical ideas and best practices on how to fully maximize the HPN University with your advisors. In this episode, we're going to focus on the leadership section. Have you been utilizing these leadership resources? You should be, for your own leadership development, as well as the development of your frontline leaders, sales managers, and mentors. The leadership section can be found on the main menu of the university under leadership. This section features short videos and articles from some of the top field leaders, recruiters, and coaches in the industry. Many of the videos feature giants in the industry and Gamma Hall of Fame members like Phil Richards, Norm Levine, and more. All the videos are 4 to 8 minutes in length, so it's like having a virtual coach in your back pocket for just-in-time learning. There are a couple ways that you can utilize these resources. First, you can select relevant short video clips during your regularly scheduled leadership development sessions. Keep in mind, we do have facilitator-led modules in the Leadership Huddle section for more lengthy programming. But this approach is a great way to plug a quick video on recruiting, selection, training, coaching, or leadership development. Another way you can leverage these short videos is to assign certain sessions for your field leaders or mentors to watch as homework. Then, at your next coaching session, have them ready to report on what they learned from the video. These resources enable you to provide industry best practices and access to some of the best field leaders in the space, right at the local level. It's important to develop frontline leaders as your organization grows, not only putting more feet on the street, but also more hands on shoulders. I hope this was a helpful tip and increases your awareness of the great leadership content that's available on the HPN University. If you'd like to talk more about this or other best practices for using the HPN University, contact us for a free consultation at info@hoopus.com.